Kagandahan po nito ganito. Ito pong stablecoin pa, I've been creating many articles. Puntahan nyo po, hanap po kayo ng stablecoin and CBDC pilot, Coach Miranda Minor in Google. Makikita nyo po yung mga articles. I've been writing very good articles about CBDC pilot and stablecoin pilot. But these are for wholesale. Very prescriptive po ang Bangko Sentral sa paglalagay ng mga pilot study on stablecoins or central bank digital currencies in wholesale. Walang retailer. Ito po yung unang-unang nilabas nila na stablecoin for a licensed agent which is CoinsPH. So ito po ay potensyal na ilalagay sa mga retailers. Kasi ang target po nila on their metrics based on my research, 20,000 to 30,000 users po ang kanilang target. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Kausap ko na po ang Global Head of Marketing ng CoinsPH. Hawak po ang Thailand and Philippines and they're going to be in our show para matanong po natin sila. Kaganda